Various from Grade 6 Hawaii, and for today's video, I will make an experiment! As you can see, meron po akong glass A and glass B and mga condiments na soy sauce, vinegar, and oil. So, gawin na po natin yung sa glass A, and sabi po dito, put 100 ml vinegar in a glass A. Then, add 100 ml of soy in it. 100 ml of vinegar. And 100 ml of soy sauce. This is glass A. For glass B, 100 ml of vinegar. And 100 ml of oil. As you can see, in a glass A, the amount of vinegar and soy sauce is called homogeneous mixture. Why? Because two substances are completely miscible and get mixed up at particle level. While in a glass B, the vinegar and oil do not mix. Nakikita nyo naman. Because vinegar and oil are made of very different types of molecules that are attracted to their own kind. So that's my science experiment of solute and solvent. Thank you for watching!